Hey fam, it's Coach Nate here. Today we're going to focus on one of the best stretches for your back and spine, the Cobra Stretch, one of my favorite. But before we jump into it, we're going to take a few minutes to warm up the joints and get everything moving so that you can get the most out of this stretch. Let's start on the mat in child's pose. First, let's settle into child's pose. Come to all fours. Bring your knees wide and sit your hips back toward your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths here. For this child's pose, let's wake up the shoulders. Keep your arms stretched forward and start rolling your shoulders in small circles. Gently roll them forward, then backward. Feel how this warms up the shoulder joints, which are going to play a big part in your Cobra Stretch. Keep rolling, letting each side get a little bigger. With every roll, imagine any stiffness melting away. You're increasing blood flow and mobility in the shoulders, getting them ready to support you in the stretch. Now let's switch to shoulder shrugs. Sit your hips back on your heels. Lift your shoulders up toward your ears and then relax them down. Shrug up, hold for a second, then release, making sure you release each time. Breathe in as you shrug and exhale as you let go. You're priming your upper body for a smooth transition into the Cobra Stretch. Now that you're warmed up, let's move into the Cobra Stretch. Shift your body forward. Place your hands just under your shoulders, elbows close to your sides. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, press gently into your hands, lifting your chest off the ground. Be mindful here. Keep your elbows slightly bent and your shoulders relaxed. Imagine you're opening up your chest and lengthening your spine. If you're feeling tight, you can keep your lift small and gentle. As you hold Cobra, take deep breaths. Inhale, feeling your chest expand, and exhale as you lower just slightly, keeping that gentle stretch in your back. Feel the stretch along your spine, the opening in your chest. This stretch not only improves flexibility but also helps boost energy by opening up the heart and chest. To modify this, if you feel strain in your lower back, lower your chest slightly or bring your elbows to the mat for Sphinx pose. Either way, you're still getting all the benefits without overstraining. You stretched your spine, opened your chest, and relieved tension in your back. Let's push back into child's pose again for a final reset. Sit your hips back, stretch your arms forward, and take a few deep breaths here. In just 5 minutes, you've loosened up your joints, stretched your back, and opened up your chest. The Cobra Stretch is amazing for improving flexibility and relieving tension, especially if you've been sitting a lot. Let me know how you feel in the comments, fam. Let's go!